everyone, this is Chef Deborah and today I'm going to teach you how to put face painting to your face. And this segment is for makeup tutorial with Chef Deborah. Today I'm going to copy the face of very popular doll. And you know who it is? I will copy a Barbie doll face. So, come on guys, let's start now.
Well, Barbie, we're just getting started.
Oh, I love you, Ken.
Hiya, Barbie.
Hi, Ken.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde bimbo girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your dolly.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky. just getting started.
Oh, I love you, Ken.
Hiya, Barbie.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in
Like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded a new video for you.
I'm a blonde bimbo girl in the
I hope you like this face painting that I made for you.
darling.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act like a star, I can beg on my knees.
Come jump in, bimbo friend, let us do it again. Hit the town, fool around, let's go party.
You can touch, you can play.
And of course, again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching.
You can